everybody, it's Friday Night with AK. It's your boy AK, and we're having Friday Night with AK at the Creamy Whip. Not the Creamy Whip anymore, the Cupcake Factory. No, this is...
The Funnel Cake Factory.
Yeah. This did not open yet, but we're going to do an update and see what changed.
So they repainted the picnic tables.
And
they've added some stuff inside. We got the Nacho Grande machine.
El Nacho Grande.
We got the funnel cake fryer.
Yeah, you see. Wait, that iPad that was there, I think it's gone.
They are now hiring. So yeah, we did a video here sometime back when it was an abandoned ice cream shop, which is beloved in the community.
Yeah, also they put some new posters. They say employees wash hands before returning to work.
All right, so this is a Friday night with AK Shorty.
That's definitely from the pretzel.
This is an abandoned update. We're at the Funnel Cake Factory, coming soon to Greenhills.
That's definitely from the Funnel Cake Factory because this closed before the pre-whip closed before the cupcake, and they did some painting. As you see here, and yes, we are in Greenhills, Ohio.
Yeah.
And this is where we tried getting.
Yeah, it's locked now. Getting up on the roof is so cool, but we don't have that.
But here's a preview of the roof.
Yeah. All right.
What? Peace.
Whoa, he's down. We're out of here.
Peace.